Okay, boys and girls, we are on the last page of this booklet here. We're going to be focusing on this one right here. Okay, so this is all about the color pink. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go into this here and circle everywhere you find the word pink, and then write the number right here of how many you found. Okay, go. Did you find 10? If you didn't, go back and check again. Then you're going to use your pink marker just to color the crayon. Okay, color that pink. Now right here, you're going to use marker or crayon to draw a picture of something that is pink and color it. Okay, now the next part you need to do with crayons. Okay, we're going to do something fun here. So find your gray crayon. Find your pink crayon. I don't use mine very much, but there's my pink crayon. Find your tan crayon. Okay. Find your white crayon. And then you should have something that looks like this. It's a violet red. And then another one that looks like this. It's kind of a red violet. So I'm going to put those right there. I want you to find those crayons. Okay, so gray, pink, your tan, your white, and then your violet red and your red violet, because these are all crayons that have a little bit of pink in them. Okay, so I'm going to pause right here for you to find those. Okay, so this first little splotch right here, you're going to use your pink crayon on that. Okay, so this is what pink looks like. So just color that pink right there and just set that aside. You're going to need it. Set that one aside. You're going to need that one again. Okay. Now I want you to grab either your red violet or your violet red and color that next, because this is another shade of pink. Okay. So then put that one away. You won't need that one again. Then I want you to grab your violet red and color that one. That's another shade of pink, okay? So we've got 3 shades of pink going. So this one goes back in your crayon box. Okay, now I want you to color the next space white first. Okay, color that splotch white. Throw this crayon back in your crayon box. Grab your pink crayon and color over it. It's going to produce a lighter shade of pink than your first one. So then put your pink crayon aside. You're not done with that, because we're going to do the same thing with the green. We're going to see what happens. This is called a tint. When you do it with white, it's called a tint. When you do it with the gray, it's called a shade. So we're going to put gray there. Okay, then take your gray crayon, put it back in your crayon box, grab that pink crayon again, and color over it. And see, you get sort of a shade of pink. That's a pink gray. Okay, then put that pink back here to save. Then you're going to do your tan or your apricot or whatever this one is called. Mine's called apricot, but it could be an apricot or a peach depending on your crayon box. Put a little bit of that there and then color the pink over it and see what kind of pink that turns into. Sort of a peachy pink, right? Okay. All right, that's it. We're looking at different shades of pink right there. So go ahead and give yourself your exit ticket. And now this booklet is going to get closed and it's going to go into your green folder when you're done.